For today's video, I will try the viral feta pasta TikTok recipe. So let's start with the cherry tomatoes and then drizzle that with olive oil. Add salt and pepper to taste and give it a toss. At this stage, I'm also adding a bit of parsley. Then, of course, put your block of feta in the middle. I've seen most people put a whole garlic, but on this video, I will try minced garlic, so it'll be more garlicky, more tasty, and yeah. Season your feta with salt and pepper again, and this time we'll add oregano. We'll grill this in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So this is what it looks like after 40 minutes. I just waited for the tomatoes to have a grilled texture with all those beautiful color. So now mash the feta and the tomatoes and mix them all together. Most people put basil on top of this, but in my case I don't have that, so I'll just put any salad leaves I have in the fridge, which is spinach and rocket. So just mix everything together before you add your pasta. I'm doing the pasta bake version of the feta pasta, so after mixing together, just tap them flat onto the baking dish so you can add the Parmesan cheese and the panko breadcrumbs for added texture and crunchiness. So here's your baked feta pasta. Just add a bit of parsley for added color and you're ready to serve.
So there you have it. Kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, please hit the like button and comment below kung sinubukan mo siya and how it turned out, or kung may recipes na gusto mong i-try ko and ipakita sa inyo. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for subscribing and God bless. Bye!
Anyari, daming version. Mukhang nasobrahan na ata. Hindi ko to bet. Ew.